Welcome back to Top 5 Repairs. How do you know you have bad shift solenoids and it's time to replace it? If the check engine light is on and you're getting one of these shift solenoid codes, then most likely you're going to have shift solenoid issue. The check engine light does not always turn on when you start to experience shift issue. In fact, you may experience shift issue first before the check engine light turns on. When the shift solenoids start to fail, normally caused by normal wear and tear or dirty transmission fluid, or you have electrical issue, the first common symptom you're going to experience is delayed shifting. How does delayed shifting feels like? Well, when you're driving down the road and you're trying to pick up speed and it feels like your vehicle does not want to pick up speed, it feels like it pick up speed maybe 2 or 3 seconds later, that is going to be delayed shifting caused by a bad shift solenoid. The next sign that you know that you have bad shift solenoid is the transmission is stuck in a gear. For example, if you're taking off from a stoplight and the gear is shifting from 1 to 2, then 2 to 3, and then it gets stuck at gear number 3 and you can't go any faster and it feels like your vehicle just won't pick up speed anymore, that's how you know you got bad shift solenoid. The next sign that you know that your shift solenoid needs replacement is when your transmission cannot upshift or downshift. So when you're driving, your transmission should continue to upshift, and when you start to slow down, it should start to downshift. If it cannot upshift properly or it cannot downshift properly, then you know one of these shift solenoid is bad. The next sign that you know that you have bad shift solenoid is your transmission is skipping gears. By skipping gears, I mean the transmission is not shifting smoothly. For example, the transmission may shift from gear 1 to maybe to gear 3, or it might shift from gear 2 to gear number 4, and so on. When the transmission is skipping gears, you're going to notice erratic shifting. The next sign that you know that shift solenoid failed is going to be your transmission is slipping. How do you know your transmission is slipping caused by a bad shift solenoid? Well, when you're driving and your RPM suddenly jump up very high like that, and you hear this noise, and it feels like your vehicle is not really taking off, that's how you know you have bad shift solenoid. The next sign that you know that you might have bad shift solenoid is when your vehicle is stuck in limp mode. Limp mode is when your vehicle is stuck in second or third gear and you can't go faster than 35 miles per hour. There are a lot of reasons why your shift solenoid is not working properly, and the number one common reason is either dirty transmission fluid or your transmission is low on fluid. So your transmission is extremely dirty, it can start to clog the shift solenoid passages and it can cause it to not work properly. So if you change your transmission fluid a few times, you might actually fix the issue if you get lucky. The next common reason is, well, it's going to be an electrical issue. You either have a wire issue, a connection issue, sometimes it can get rusted, or internally you might have a short. So there's no need to replace your transmission. In fact, changing a shift solenoid can be quite easy. All you have to do is remove the transmission pan and you can access to most shift solenoid. For some shift solenoid, the shift solenoid is located on the outside of the transmission, and sometimes it's called a shift solenoid pack. It's in the shape of a rectangle or square, or so for some vehicle it's called shift solenoid A and B, and you can replace it that way. And lastly, if your shift solenoid is located on the outside of the transmission and is leaking transmission fluid and you're not noticing any transmission issue, all you have to do is replace that shift solenoid gasket or seal. I hope you found this lesson useful. As always, thanks for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Repairs.